And Venezuela level the game. Ramirez! Oh, yes! Magnificent! Senor! Oh, wow! Where did that come from? It is another magic moment. Maria gets away from him. And that's Ramirez. Has he got the legs? Yes, it has! There's the layoff. Oh, super goal from Felipe Alario. They're down by Felipe Alario. Fahau, Marcel, he's in again. Fahau! Oh, he's back. He is back.
Although only for a moment. Deadlock broken by Checo, who finds a way underneath Rueda with a fine goal. Checo, quicker pass at this time. Vukmir tries to work the angle here. Lovely scoop and finished off in the end at the far post by Vukmir, who makes it two. Has been tidy. He gets his chance here. Tried to roll it back. Oh, it's wonderful. It's really nicely played by Postashin and Peric. Adilov, here is the space, here is the chance. What a goal! That was over the line, surely. Bekanov striking the bar, and yes, it will stand.
Pascotini gets his goal. Paraguay.
What a goal that is. Arnold Canal rather to get the hat-trick. Douglas Jr. onto Canal, looking for that ball. Across again, he's gone straight into the top corner once more from a similar position to where he scored before. That's Will Joe. Great start from Angola. Great futsal to work that opening. Nice little combination pass. Great positive move. Joe! Brilliant! Solo goal from Joe, straight in from his own half. Kevin Arrieta, chance for Argentina. Taken by Kevin Arrieta. Weaving away through once again, takes a deflection. And Joe has another. Rosso Claudino. Well, yellow card 1 minute, another goal the next. Lovely ball. Well, it looks like Angola are going home. Here's Brandy again. Lovely finish, chipped up by Alan Brandy. Oh, brilliant finish from Eric. Well, he's scored in every game so far, Eric, and he loved that one. It was past Ambir before he even knew it.
Still plenty of time for this game to change. Oh, what a goal! From Idris Yorov. All for Leandro Lino. Leandro Lino scores! Oh, they'll be feeling a lot better about themselves now, Brazil. Trademark step-overs from Leandro Lino. Mesra, this is Sharawi! Ambir with that long ball. And back across, and oh, superb! That is glorious! Idris Reis Salfeni! Salam by Kolagaban! Oh my goodness!
Yes, and a man over! Andijan erupts as Kazakhstan take the lead against the reigning world champions. Well, it's taken a deflection and it's in. It is Zikite who got the final touch. A lightning fast start to the second period for Portugal.
Hits it, oh, he's hit it so well, right through. And Thailand just won't go away. Giroud back to him once more, and Moody scores! Taking advantage of an empty goal.
Sarmiento goes on. Brandy with the back header, and the top scorer gets Argentina up and running. Alan Brandy goes on to 7 for the tournament.
Diego is tormenting. Goal! Tormenting and scoring. That may just do it. Hanging around now. Alain Long. Jesus brought that down superbly well. Oh my goodness! That is a finish and a half from Boumezou.
A chance for Villamonte at the other end, wins the ball back. Villamonte! Brilliant finish! Just what was needed from Venezuela. Nazar Shved. Sukar might go all the way! Great goalkeeping! Toure. Good save against Sukov to deny Ben Darling. And another long-range shot drops in this time. Well, France have played that dangerous game and it's costing them here now.